everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan. Today's video is a hair tutorial on these hair clip hairstyles. I'm going to be showing you all the different ways that I use this hair clip to create a bunch of different looks. As always, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. And without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. As you can see, my hair is pretty long and pretty thick as well, so these hairstyles will be tailored for some girls who do have long and thick hair. So don't you worry, even though we're just using a hair clip, they will be secure. Okay, so going into this first hairstyle, I'm starting with my hair down and brushed out. I'm just going with my natural part, but you can kind of switch it up however which way you'd like. I'm just first gathering all my hair into kind of like a low pony, just making sure that all the hair is smooth and all of that. Then I'm going to take my one hand and I'm gonna wrap it around my head. This first hairstyle is the best and most secure hair clip one that I've found to work on my long hair. So using the hand that I put around my head, I feed the hair through it and then just start twisting my one finger around the hair, and it just creates a really tight twist. So here it is in slow-mo just because it is a little bit confusing, but yeah, I just wrap my hair around that one finger and then just twist it around and put it up against my head just so it's prepped for that hair clip, and then I'll just secure it with the clip and it really stays in place all day long. You can also take some pieces out, make it a little bit messy if you'd like. Sometimes I like to do it, or you can keep it nice and clean and just keep your hair behind your ears and stuff like that. So this second hairstyle is actually the same twist, but I'm just taking out the front two pieces first. So if you know that you just want your front pieces out, I'd recommend doing this just because it'll create kind of a cleaner look. And then you don't risk taking any extra pieces that you don't want out of your hair when it's secured in the hair clip. So I just take those two pieces out, still gather my hair into a low pony, kind of smooth it out. You can also go in with a hairbrush to smooth it out, but I was kind of lazy this day, so I didn't. I'm just gathering it in my one hand and then twisting it up and securing it with the clip like I did before. And she's looking very cute. Okay, so for this next hairstyle, it's going to be like a hair clip ponytail action. Very funky, very fresh. I'm starting out with the same part. Again, you can part it however which way you like. So I'm starting with gathering my hair into a low pony as per usual, and I'm just gonna twist the hair like I would if I was putting my hair into like a low bun, but instead of twisting it all around into like a little ball, I just kind of twist it up and put it vertically and then secure my hair with the hair clip, and it creates this little ponytail moment. So it kind of gives you like the ponytail hairstyle without using an elastic, and instead you're using a hair clip. It's a little bit different, but I think it's very fun. So once again, I'm just going to show you how I do this hairstyle from a different view just so you guys can get a better angle. Once again, I secure it. You can always secure your hair in this low pony with the hair tie if you wanted. I just don't normally. So yeah, I just twist it up and then I kind of pin it against my head and then I secure it with a hair clip. This one is probably the easiest and quickest hair clip tutorial. But yeah, you can also like fan your hair out around the hair clip so you get like more of a ponytail moment, or you can kind of put it to one side or the other, whatever you want. Normally it'll kind of fall naturally to the one side that you twist it towards, but yeah, she looks fun and cute. So this next hairstyle is more of the classic hair clip hairstyle that I see a lot of people doing. So I'm just securing my hair once again into that low pony and twisting it up like I normally would do for like a bun, just so then all the hair is very tight and in place. And what I'm going to do is, instead of keeping all of that hair out like I did for the ponytail, I just keep twisting it and put it back down. So it kind of gives me like this more low bun look than a ponytail look, and it works really well with my long hair. So again, I will show you guys from the back, but that's how it looks 360 around. I think it's really cute because it kind of keeps my hair a little bit more secure and in place and out of my face as well. So again, I'm just twisting it up and I'm going to place the hair vertically, and then I'm going to take the rest of that hair and kind of place it down and then secure it with the clip. Super easy and also super quick, so that's nice. Okay, so these last two hairstyles that I'm going to show you are these little half up, half down moments. They personally are some of my favorite. This is probably the hairstyle I do most often. Anyways, I start off with taking those two front pieces out because I like that look a little bit better. You can always keep them in the half up, half down if you want, and then you can kind of do more of that like middle part look that is very in right now and kind of gives that like model off duty moment. I definitely recommend using a brush to smooth out the top layer of your hair just because sometimes I can have a little bit of difficulty with it. Anyways, once that's secured, I start twisting around like I would do a bun once again, and I leave that rest of the hair facing downwards, and I just clip that little bun that I've created, and it makes it super, super secure. And then you just get this little half up, half down moment that is super cute and literally so quick to do too. It's so easy. Whenever my hair is naturally curly and I do this hairstyle, I definitely use hair gel at that top layer of my hair just to make sure that all of my flyaways are smoothed out and just that top layer is just nice and smooth and that there aren't any bumps or anything happening. I love this hairstyle because my hair is down but it's still out of my face. And that's honestly one of the main reasons why I love wearing my hair up, half down, because I still get to wear it down, but it also is still out of my face and not bugging me throughout the day, which I love. So this next half up, half down look is very similar, but we're going to be mixing it up with that like ponytail hair clip tutorial that we did earlier. So again, I'm just securing this and then I'm going to start twisting my hair. And instead of having my hair face downwards, it's going to be facing upwards. So I twist it almost all the way around pretty much. And then I put the hair up and I just clip that little bun that I've created once again. And then I'm gonna flip the rest of that hair over and it's gonna kind of create that little hair ponytail moment that we kind of did last time. Again, you can keep it to one side or you can fan it over the hair clip, and it's just something a little bit different and fun. I feel like not a lot of people do it this way, so I feel like it just adds a little something. And of course, you don't have to have the two pieces out in front if you don't want to. You can always put them back into the ponytail. The fun thing about this as well is if you have shorter hair and do this hairstyle, you'll end up with more of like the ends of your hair poking out at the top and more of like a Y2K moment, which is always fun and very in at the moment. Anyways, these are all the hairstyles I have for you guys today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. I'll see you guys in my next video.